So here we are, midway through March of 2020. We've now witnessed the Dow Jones go from almost 30,000 points down to 20,000 points in a matter of a couple of weeks. Someone came to me yesterday and said, "Hey Brandon, with this coronavirus going on, how's the real estate market?" Well, you know what? Give me a couple of minutes and let me explain to you what's going on. Hey everyone, Brandon Shupi at Skydan Real Estate Sales. How we all doing? So, yeah, we got a lot going on right now. This coronavirus. Everyone is now self-quarantining themselves to their homes. Companies are closing down. The state now has come out and said that restaurants and bars are closed now. So there's a lot going on here right now, and this is going to be a challenge for us to get through it. But with that being said, and I had someone come to me yesterday actually and ask me specifically, how the housing market is now, how is this coronavirus affecting everything? And I was just honest with them, and I told them, I said, the interest rates have come down in masses right now. The economy, as you could see, is down. I think this morning was down about 20,000. I mean, we were at like 29, almost hitting 30,000. The Dow Jones here about a week or so ago, and we're literally down like 10,000 points in like a week or 10 days, I'm guessing here. So the market itself has really gone down. But with that, the interest rates have also declined hugely. So basically, since the beginning of the year, I mean, the real estate market here has taken off and came out roaring out of the gates for 2020. And the amount of buyers that are out there looking right now, we've seen is up about 20%. And the values of homes are actually up across the board at about 10%. So the real estate market in a whole is doing very well. And there's some great advantages to the fact because these interest rates have dropped down. So this time last year, I believe we were at about 4.25%, 4.5% on interest rates. And over the last week, we are down to about 3.25%, 3.5%, which has kind of been bouncing around. The prime interest rate has declined greatly, and I will tell you myself, I have three deals pending right now, and the mortgage companies are so backed up. It's taken a while to get these loans processed because of the fact that they are so busy right now. And there are a lot of people out there refinancing right now. So if you're in the market and you're trying to get your mortgage payment lowered, I can't stress enough to you that this is the time to reach out and try to refinance your mortgage. But the advantage to a homeowner is the fact that this now has become supply and demand. And because there's more demand out there now, it is now increasing the value of homes. And like you said, across the board, we're looking at about a 10% appreciation value. And I know a lot of analysts have actually increased their prediction across the board throughout the year of increasing of home values. And as a buyer, obviously, because the fact that the interest rates are down to about 3.25% right now, the other good thing is that we've also seen across the board that there are more jobs out there now. I believe last month's report, we got another 135,000 new jobs out there. And the big thing is we're seeing an increase in salaries across the board. So with the increase in salaries, interest rates lowering, this is a phenomenal time to be getting out there in the market and looking to purchase a home. And again, if you are a homeowner, this increase in value because supply and demand is making it huge. So there's a lot more that we can go into, and there's a lot of detail. But you know what? The bottom line is that whether you've considered becoming a homeowner for the first time, or if you've decided to sell your home and maybe buy one that better suits your lifestyle currently, now is a great time to do your due diligence and look into this. And as I've said, you can always reach out to me at any time. All my information will be given at the bottom here. and a couple of websites I can give you right off the bat if you're looking for homes in specific areas. Homesinhomer.com and homesinlamont.com are a couple of good websites that you can also go to that links to my website. And all those listings come directly from the multiple listing service. But you call me anytime, and I'm more than glad to answer any of your questions, and I'm here to help. And as always, make it a great day.